Welcome to the Digital Planner for Photographers by Color Veil. Today I'm going to show you how to use your planner in PDF Viewers Pro and also how you can type directly on it. At the top you'll have a toolbar with a pencil and piece of paper. You will click the T, which is the type tool, and you'll begin typing anywhere on the planner. The great thing is you can move this box anywhere you need just by clicking it and dragging it wherever. You can also go ahead and use your handwriting tool, but this is more for those who are going to be using an iPad that does not have a pencil. So again, you're going to click this text tool and type anywhere you want, moving it. You also have the ability to delete anything you've already typed. You can then highlight anything within the document itself. Switching the page, again, you'll go up to the top toolbar, hitting the pencil paper and the letter T, and begin typing anywhere you wish. I've switched on over to the highlighter, switched over to the eraser, and again to the typing tool. You'll click the typing tool and then click anywhere in the box that you want. Great thing is you can move this text anywhere on the page simply by grabbing it and dragging it. Double clicking on it, you can then add more text. And there you have it, how to use the digital planner for photographers on an iPad that is not a pro and does not have the pencil. I hope that this video helped you. Have a great day.